If you want to quickly improve the look of your video in CapCut, one of the most useful tools you can learn is exposure adjustment. Exposure helps you control how bright or dark your footage looks, which can make a huge difference in the final result. Whether your clip looks too dim, too washed out, or just needs a little correction, this simple edit can instantly make your video look more professional. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides. Now let's get into it. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your video clip is already on the timeline. The very first thing you need to do is select the clip you want to edit. Click directly on the target video clip in the timeline, so CapCut knows exactly which part of the project you want to adjust. This step is important because any changes you make will only apply to the selected clip. Once your clip is selected, look at the top right corner of the CapCut interface and click on the Adjust tab. This is where CapCut stores all of its basic color and image controls. If you are new to CapCut, this panel might seem a little hidden at first, but once you know where it is, it becomes very easy to use. After opening the Adjust panel, stay under the Basic subtab. This is where you'll find the main controls for correcting brightness and color. Scroll down slightly until you see the Exposure slider. Exposure is the setting that controls the overall light level of your clip, and it's one of the fastest ways to fix footage that looks too bright or too dark. Now it's time to tweak the slider. If your video looks underexposed, meaning it appears too dark, drag the exposure slider to the right into positive values. This will brighten the footage and make details easier to see. On the other hand, if your video is overexposed and looks too bright or washed out, drag the slider to the left into negative values. This will darken the clip and help bring back a more balanced look. As you adjust the exposure, take your time and watch the preview carefully. Small changes can make a big difference, so it's usually best not to move the slider too far all at once. Try making slight adjustments and comparing how the footage looks before and after. The goal is to keep your video looking natural while improving visibility and overall quality. A good tip is to use exposure adjustment before you apply any final color grading. That way, you can correct the base brightness first and then build the rest of your look on top of a properly balanced clip. This is especially helpful if you're editing vlogs, tutorials, short-form content, or any video that needs to look clean and consistent. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can adjust exposure in CapCut and quickly improve the look of your footage. Select the clip, open the Adjust panel, find Exposure under Basic, and move the slider right to Brighten or left to Darken. Once you get comfortable with this tool, you'll be able to fix lighting issues in seconds. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.